Namaste. I am from India. Always I say Namaste. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to type in the computer and how to use a keyboard in computer. What is use of a different kind of a key in the computer. If you know this very good, you can skip the video, you can watch other video. If you do not know about the keyboard, watch full video. I will give you better information that will help in your life. And if you come first time my YouTube channel, please hit the red button, subscribe it, and please press the bell icon. When I make a video, you will get the notification. Let's start. See, this is the computer I have. In this computer, Windows 7 operating system installed. And I'm going to tell you about the keyboard, how to use this. The keyboard is called the input device. With the help of a key, you type something, you write something. You see, this is different kind of key. You will find two type of a keyboard in the market. One is called a wired keyboard that is connected with the wire, and one is called the wireless keyboard that is without the wire. And I have connected this keyboard with the computer. This is wired keyboard. Understood? Now you see the different button are over there. In some keyboard you will find the different key, like a multimedia key you will find it, but this simple keyboard, always I recommend buy the simple keyboard. Don't buy the multimedia keyboard. I don't like that. Okay, and see, this is different kind of a key. First of all, I talk about this key, ESC. What is use of this key? First of see, suppose this key used to cancel something. Suppose I open with the help of mouse. I open this menu. Okay, this menu open. Now I press the escape button. You see, the menu is gone. Understood? Again I show you. I open this menu. Now I press it. Now it's gone. Okay, the use of this is called the, you can say it is a cancel button also. Escape button is that. Second, this is called the function key. From F1 to F12, this is called the function key. Different time and different way this is called used. Mainly this keys are used in the tally of accounting software, or sometimes you use this on the different busy software, and you can use this on the Microsoft Word using. You can use this key on the Microsoft Excel. I give example for this one. Like you want to use F1. Suppose I am working in the Microsoft Word. This is the Microsoft Word. I open this Microsoft Word. Now I want to help out the Microsoft Word. How to get help? Only you have to press this F1. Now press F1. You see this help menu is open. When Word help menu is open. Now you want to read something. You can read what is this. Getting help, converting this. The help of this F1 is that you can read about this help. Okay. Now I close it. Understood what is the use of F1? Now I tell you what is use of F2. F2. I tell you this. Suppose this is a application I have. This Microsoft Excel I have. I click here. Okay, I click here. Now I want to rename something. Okay, I take this here. I click here on the rename. Now I want to type something. You can rename if you want to rename the any. Suppose this is I rename this. Now the name of this Excel folder is application is changed. This now you want to do. You can press the simply use it. Activated this is okay. Click any on this. Suppose I click here and then I press F2. Now you can rename. Okay, now I want to type. You can rename this thing. This is the way. Suppose I want to change the name. Click on this and press F2. Now you can rename it. Understood? This is the way to use this. Now you understood about the F1 is to help. Second, F2 is for the rename. And third, I come on the F3. The F3 is used to find something, to search something in the computer. This is the use of different way and different time, and this is only you know this is for the search, and this is for the find something. Suppose you use a notepad. I show you that. I open the notepad. Open it, and now you see find next is there F3. This is a shortcut is showing over there. Find next F3 is there. With the help of F3 you can find something. This is like this. Okay, understood? The F3 is that to find something, to search something. And now you want to use F4. F4, how to use F4? If I press F4 normally, nothing will happen. When I press F4 with the support of Alt plus F4, I press it. Now you see the one menu is open. Now with this help of I can shut down the computer. I have to click only on the OK. I can shut down. Again I show you. I press the escape. Now I press the Alt, then F4. I press it. You see this menu. You will see Alt and F4. You see this menu is open. Understood? From there you can shut down the computer. This is the use of different type. Normally this is not used all time, but sometime use. And now F5, this is a very important key. Okay, why? Because you know, you want to refresh the computer. Suppose you right click on the mouse and you use this thing, but sometimes you do, and usually only press F5. You see, the system is refreshing. It's moving on like that. The system is refreshing. Okay, you can refresh the system by pressing the F5. Okay, and then F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. This is different use you can use in Tally accounting software. Okay, this is the way. Now you want to use a multimedia. Suppose this is using volume sign is there. You see the volume minus, volume plus, and you see you see the volume here. Volume sign, speaker sign is there. When I press this, you see this is a mute sign. Okay, I just press it unmute. I press is mute. I press is unmute. This is okay. And I want to increase the volume. I have to press the plus sign. Okay, and I want to improve, decrease the volume. You can press this. Okay, minus sign. I show you that. I press this. You see, this increasing. Okay. Now I press this. This is decreasing. The volume is increasing and decreasing. This is the three buttons there. For the mute, for minus is decrease, and plus is increase. Okay, you understood all this thing. This is the different used by this key on the Tally, different type. Okay, now I come to this portion. The upper row you find this is numeric keypad is there. You see 1 is there, you see 2 is there, you see 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till 0. Now you want to use this. Simply you just open the notepad, typing software. I open the notepad. Okay, I open the notepad. Now I show you, and I press 1. See, 1 I press 2, I press 3, I press 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like simple way I am pressing this, that is type on the screen. Now you see the two different buttons are there. One is 2 is there, and one is the @ sign is there. 3 is there, hash sign is there. 4 is there, dollar sign is there. How to use the @? If I press 2, you see the typing is 2 only. To use this @, you have to press the shift button with the help of this. By pressing this, then you press the @ button. Now you see, you type @. Understood? This is the way. And you want to type the dollar, you by pressing this and you press the dollar sign. You see the dollar sign is there. Understood? This is a way to use the two word of there. Clear to you? Now I will show you something else. I show you this. Okay, now you type over there. Now again I press, I want to use this this percentage sign. I place percentage sign here, and sign, or simple I press is then 777666. Okay, you got it? This is a way to use this. You want to use a plus sign, you have to press this shift, then you press the plus, and if you directly press it, that will equal to, this is the thing. Now you want to erase something, you want to delete something. What you have to do? You have to use the backspace. You see backspace there. You want to delete something, you just press one by one, you press it, and you will delete. You will able to delete all the thing you want to delete. Understood? The backspace, you can delete the item you want to delete. Is that clear to you? Same way you want to type all this thing. You want to type Q, you can type, you can W, E, R, whatever you want to type, you can type. That will see in the screen. Understood? Now you come to second line. You see the tab button is there. You see tab is there. Suppose I am typing any something. I am typing, but I want some space between this and this alphabet. What to do? I press the tab button there. I press a tab. You see this is moving. This, it was here. Now I press again tab. Now it's here. Understood? And with the same time, I use this one. This is called space bar. This is a long key is there. Space bar. That is only moving the one step, and that is moving the 4 steps. See, I getting the space with one by one space. Okay, this is to get a space between two character, and this is to get a more space, more distance coverage. You see how it's moving, is very fast. Okay, this is the way. Understood the use of this one? Now many people want to know, sir, how to type a capital letter, how to type a small letter. I am typing this, all this is small letter. Now I want to type the capital letter. What to do? If I press the A, is typing a small letter. But when you press caps lock, see, when I press caps lock and then I press A, you see the capital letter. Understood? The use of caps lock button is that to use a small letter, use a capital letter. When you press this, you start the caps capital letter. Understood? You already I taught you about the shift button. With the help of this, you can press different type of button over there. Now you come to know this is the control button is there. Okay, control is this, it supports something. Suppose you want to copy this matter, all you want to copy this matter with the help of shortcut keys there. Control, you press the control, then you press the A, you will able to select all this thing. You see, all selected. Now you want to copy this, control then C, copy. Now you want to paste, control plus V. This is a shortcut. You see, this is a shortcut to support something. Understood? This is a way to support something. Oh, this is the way. Now this is completed. I tell you about this all button. Wait some time. Now this is completed. Now I have typed something. Suppose I have typed something. Okay, I am deleting with this help. I am here. I want to come on the next line. How to do? There you will see the enter button is there. See, enter is there. Enter. You can come to down. Okay, I am coming down. With the help of thing, you can step down. You can step down with this step out of it. And now I want to use this thing. You want to use this. Suppose so I press control, I press alt, then I press delete. Okay, this one menu is open, this taskbar formula is open. You can shut down, you can log off the thing. I am going to start taskbar. I click here. Now I want to click and end task. The use of this, you working with the 3. Otherwise you want to shut down the computer, you alt press and then F4. See, I show you. Here alt plus F4, you can shut down this computer, the help of this one. Okay, understood? This is called the upper one, middle one and the lower one, and this is the function key. This is completed. Now I come to this side. This called is a numeric pad. If I suppose I am typing something in the notepad, yeah, Microsoft Word. Suppose I am tapping my number. Nothing is working. See, I am pressing any button, it's not working. Nothing is working. When this is not working, you have to press the null lock button. This null lock button, you see, it's off now. I press it, now it is on. Now I type anything. Suppose I type 5 4 3 2 1 4 3 2 1. It's everything typing. Understood? When this is off, this button will not work. When this is on, then this button will work. Understood? This is the thing. Now this is the arrow key. You see, 1 2 3 4. I press this, I come to this side. Okay, I press this, I come to this side. When I 4 or 5 line over there, suppose see, this is up down. With this help of this, you can go up, and with this you can go down. Understood? This is the thing. Now you will find the delete button also in the computer. You will find delete button in the computer. What is use of this one? Suppose I want to erase something, I want to delete this. I press from back. Okay, I am pressing this. Now is the matter deleting. Okay, when I press the delete button, nothing will happen. See, it's deleting from the back side. Suppose I clean all this, I am clean. Okay, I delete the button, pressing the delete button, nothing is happening. Nothing happening. When I press the backspace, it's deleting. I press this backspace, it will delete something here. Okay, now deleting. When I press this delete button, nothing will happen. To use of this one, you take the arrow key front of this. When I press it, delete button, from the front it will delete, of this it delete from the back side. Understood the difference between this and this? Okay, now you want to take the screenshot. The print screen button is there. You can take the screenshot of the screen. You want to take this scroll log, scroll different. You have a 10 page over there. You want to home page to come to the first page. You want to go to the down page, you with the head of end, you can come to the down page. The up page, you 20 page you have, you want to use the first page, you want to go to the down page. This is the key of this. Okay, understood? I thought this is a very basic knowledge. And one thing, when I press the null lock button, you see the light is blinking. Okay, when I press the caps lock button, it's light blinking. The 2 indicator is there. This is the basic information about the keyboard I gave you on this video. And if you have watched full video, you must have learned how to use a keyboard in the computer, how to use a keyboard in the laptop. This is a very basic information. If you like this video, please comment it and share. A lot of people in this world want to know about how to use a computer keyboard in the computer. Again I say namaste.